This brand is from Heat Controller, which is a part of Motors and Armatures Incorporated. The brand is backed by a decent warranty, but the units are only sold through dealers and it is a very limited network. The PTTH model heat pumps have a 9.5 EER efficiency and automatically switch to emergency electric heat if the compressor fails. The PTTC models are cooling units with a 9.8 EER efficiency rating, while the PTTE models have electric strip heating. The units use basic rotary compressors and have a noise rating that is roughly equivalent to that of normal adult conversation. All of the models are available in either 9000 BTU or 12,000 BTU sizes, but the units use basic washable filters that do not actually do much to clean the air. They use R32 refrigerant, which is more earth-friendly than brands that use R410A. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.